Alright, so welcome to the video compression automation video. I'm kind of looking forward to this one because it will help me a little bit, and it's actually something that I was kind of interested in doing for a little bit. So far I have this Python thing here. Alright, so basically this is the code here. Import OS, it's just so you can interact with the operating system itself. And this import sub process is just so you could interact with something like this Handbrake CLI. And Handbrake is a video compression software, and Handbrake CLI is the command line interface version of Handbrake. Right, so this is the input folder that we're gonna use where we're gonna source the videos, right? And this right here is where we're gonna output the compressed videos. This here is the path to the Handbrake CLI. So yeah, and this one here is my configuration that I made, and just so you could know how to make your own configuration. You open up Handbrake, you go to, you could be on anything here. You go to presets, you add a preset. You should probably have a video in for this one. You just open a source, drop a video in, right? Once you drop a video in, normally do web optimized, and let me just drop a video and so you'll know. Should go with it, right? Let me try this one again. Alright, so I check web optimized. I go to video, constant frame rate. Change this to the same as source, and I'm going to change it RF value to 23. That will lower the quality a little bit, but still relatively keep the same quality, but also decrease the file size. Include a preset for slow. That is just so it will how to say it will take time doing the actual encoding, like compressing the video, so you can still keep the video quality. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Alright, and see this one, it changed from fast 1080p 30 to adding a modified thing after. So you save new preset, name it whatever, you put whatever description, and oh yeah, it will be on this here should be blank. You just do add new category and custom presets. So I think that's only if you do it for me, but just make sure it's on custom presets, right? Press add. Yeah, but once you add that, go to presets, options, export selected preset. Once you actually on the preset itself, or you can take it from here and you do export selected preset. You could export all and then just keep the one you need, and it will give you a JSON file. And there's the path to the JSON file. This right here literally just makes a folder. If I had a different folder for the output, if I forgot to make the folder, or the folder somehow got deleted, it will just make it again. But if I sourcing videos from the same place that I'm gonna output it, there's no problem really, because if you say I somehow forgot that I deleted this folder, but in a different location, you would have any videos to pull from, you know, so that means they can't output anything if they can't source any videos. Alright, so here it just you kind of saying for each file that the .mp4, .mpv or .mov, since that is the most common video file formats, right? Taking those files, and if it ends or has compressed in it, right, you're not going to select those, right? So once it has this and doesn't have this, then it will execute this command or this code on the file. But if it does have compressed, and what it is of the three video types here, it won't execute the command on it. This is just a variable for the input path and well, this here is to split the name of the file and the file extension itself. So you name the file, like for instance, I don't know if it's but name the file will be this here, Windows PowerShell open my eyes, and this file extension will be .mp4, right? So split them into two different things. Now just so you could actually, because what I want to do personally is to insert compress after the file name, so it splits it apart so you could actually do that right here. Now this here runs the Handbrake CLI, yeah, it just kind of tells it to use the input path, okay, and the output path and the presets. Well, this just kind of tells you just which files have been renamed. Okay. I guess compressed. Also, right, you see this. Okay, let's stop over. You see this little thing here that just prevents it from escaping. I did it with this instead of this one. So when you use the forward slash, which is this right here, the forward slash, because it would cause it to escape using a backslash, which is the normal file path. As the normal file path, the backslash is file path. If you use it with this, it will cause an escape. So use an R as like a raw text. I can't remember the exact thing, but that's just it prevents it from escaping when you use a backslash. Otherwise, it could get rid of R and just use a forward slash instead of backslash. And then you see it's around, remember? Like this. Basically, what this is just wherever your curly bracket is, so take up whatever the variable is. So like in C, it was like printf my age is, and then you'll put like %d, and then at the end you'll have a comma, the variable, you know, that basically what it is. It just takes that whole line and kind of gets rid of it. yeah, I think that's basically it. So yeah, I did make a test version here, which I just test on a lot less files. I have backups of the original files too. And oh yeah, almost forgot. This year, as you can see, right, it's to delete the like I said, two, because this is just telling you, it's a comment to tell you change so basically you just delete this and this, and then the delete thing is allegedly we can have access to the get. We can find out right here. It actually works. So I have this test file here, and I've made the test folder already. It's right here. Let's have a bunch of videos. So what I wanted to do was to run it automatically, right? But since it's just a test file, I'm not gonna do that just yet. And Python, wait, we open Windows PowerShell, with the terminal, and then where's the thing? Video compression test. Right? This will run the Python file, and actually, do I want to make any edits to it before I do? Not really. Man, after put this one, I'll do that after. First I'll do this without deletion, and then I'll do it with deletion just to see the difference. Also, total total size of everything here, 227 megabytes. So just keep that in mind. It seems like it's working. Or maybe it didn't. Oh wait, no, probably just need to refresh. It didn't do shit. Maybe it deleted them already. You know, I'm not sure why it's CPU invalid presets. Oh, okay. Alright, well, hold up. I'll see. Okay, we can fix that. Just give me a second now. Okay, so yeah, that took a long ass time, and I don't even know if it's gonna be the final one. But what I ended up doing was instead of doing a custom preset, I just did one of the basic ones they already had, and it worked fine, I guess. I guess I could try this one. It took like I think like 10-15 minutes to actually like compress them, and honestly it went down like quite a little bit. enter $3.99 versus versus $5.27. That's a pretty good thing. What is that like? 3.99 out of 5.27. 5.27 minus 3.99. A whole 128 megabytes decreased, which will add up, especially for larger file sizes. But that is the basic one, right? There is a my preset that I wanted to try, but here's the thing: I don't know if it'll work. Yeah, I was looking up a bunch of stuff, and I feel they're out of my pay grade. But I did this thing here, and apparently this could work. But we'll see. So I'll see. I'll see if it works. Hopefully it does. So this would actually help me a lot. Okay. Quick update. I just edited the code this side. I kept this because I wanted to just show that this works. Because in the actual folder it won't have it. It won't have compressed folder. And then if it does work, when I run it again, I'll just comment this out and then add back the deletion code. And yeah, I think that's it really. I think that's all I add. Yeah. Oh yeah, but DeepSeek added some where is it? Yeah, this down here. Instead of it always saying it compressed even if it didn't. You'll see how that turns out. Hopefully it works. Okay, update. It did not work. So yeah, I'm not sure. I'll try and merge the code in a way. So you see. Okay, didn't work again. So literally I'll just stick with the basic preset that they gave, only basic presets that they give you. So yeah, and also I just enable this again. Well, not like it really matter because we'll be going to the same folder. What else? Oh yeah, I enable the delete thing. So you see all that turns out. Might as well start it from here. It should work. Python video compression test UI. It's okay. Alright, well I'll see you all when it's done. Okay, well it just finished, and as you can see, it's all compressed and all the original files are gone. This thing take forever to do. Well, not the compression, but just figuring this thing out. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired. Trying to. Oh yeah. I should remember what to do. Right. So, let me see if I remember how to do this. Task scheduler. Right. Can open task scheduler. Alright, let's see if I remember how to do this. Create basic task. Automated video compression. Next, weekly. Alright. Very It's Saturday. Start it start this Saturday, why not? Oh, it's this Saturday. Shit. We do the give it Sunday, every Sunday. It starts Sunday, but do it every Saturday. Thing is that then wait, I can start it today and have it do like 5 or 6 in the morning. Alright, next. Start a program. Next. Browse. Now I have to go to. Well, could I just drop that in here as well, so it'll be easier to find? Probably, you know. I think I will. I'll just copy and paste it in. So me open here. You'll see. So I want to. There we go. Open. Nice. Alright. And now it's automated and will run every Saturday. Very nice. Alright, well, that is it. Okay, so let me jump in really quick. It still is compressing. Today is the 26th of July. It is 5:52 p.m. currently. And it freed up like a lot. My second drive right now. Well, in the screenshot there, you'll see it at 165 gigabytes compared to the 20 gigabytes when I started. But right now, it is actually at. Okay, well, it didn't change. It didn't really change. It's still the same. So yeah, that's basically it.